This is danger. This is the stage of the world, where power shouts.
One side stands a man who speaks loud, because loudness hides fear. His words are aimed like weapons.
The man he targets does not turn around, because mountains don't respond to storms. His fist is not raised for violence, but for restraint. His eyes burn red, not with hatred, but with responsibility.
Son, do your karma and forgive him till his mistakes touch 100 the way I did.
Beside the man who shouts stands something that never speaks. Truth waits.
Power can ignore people, but it can never ignore truth.
Never turned around, because leaders who know their path don't argue with noise.
Silence gathers strength. Dharma decides the end. I don't need to fight you. Time will.